Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just a dengue post for YouTube or you never subscribe to this channel, make you consider to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our video. Thank you so much for coming around again. So today now about our mommy in shorts. Now our mommy, she just called, she say she like this platform and especially the comment section, he say the comment section, he saying love am so much the way una take dey give advice and he just like am. So I wan beg anybody wey just new join this platform, say this platform we no dey insult. If you lis ten, you get every right to say your opinion, you get every right to say your mind. You can dey against wetin I talk, no problem, but not with insult. Just go straight to the point. Make sure say e dey constructive, because you can use this to help somebody and somebody will learn from your comment too. E no mean say all of us go dey the same point of view, you understand me? Because like that woman wey dey say, when she say the husband sleep with his 10 years old sister, when I first lis ten to the matter, I vex, I say make the woman leave the man. But when I come read some comments, I come begin dey change my mind, say marriage na for better for worse, but wetin the man do e no good. As a Christian, there's a way you do things. If you are not a Christian, there's a way you also do things. But definitely that man must not go unpunished, because wetin he do e no good. So I still learn for some comment for there. So this our mommy come out, na she come talk her own, but this one no voice recording. She say me I talk everything, but through una comment she go see the comments. And people wey dey do voice recording too, una dey try. I really thank una so much for that voice recording. They still dey hear am, I still dey learn from there too. Thank you so much. I go leave my number for here, so that if na voice recording you wan do or you wan leave comment down there, you can do that. Thank you so much. But before I start this woman matter, I just wan talk one thing. Say for here we dey do another new thing again. We just start am now. We dey do meet your match. Yeah, so if you be girl you dey look for man, you be man you dey look for wife, you fit connect us for here. Our number, our WhatsApp number dey down here. We go connect you. Men don still dey ground, some girls don still dey ground too. Then if you be HIV positive, if you be HIV positive and you feel like say you no like to share am with somebody wey you no get, and you get that good heart and you want make you still get your HIV match, because to get HIV match e no easy, because you no fit just dey find dem dey go for street. So no worry, this our platform e dey confidential. Na so dey speak the oyibo. E dey confidential, and you go fit still get your match. Yes, so you can contact us through the WhatsApp number. So thank you so much. So for this our mommy wey he talk about her own matter, you see, when she starts, no, it's touching. It really dey touching, because the way some men that they behave, the thing they provoke. For me, say before, if I bring matter come here, I will just say, okay, everybody say your opinion. Through your opinion, we just talk about. But this one, if I talk this matter finish, my own opinion, I dey talk am for here right now. I dey talk my opinion, but that no mean say una not talk una own. You fit dey against wetin I talk, but for me, na my own me dey tell you now, because of wetin the man do the woman. I no like am. Then another thing again be say wetin nothing much. Okay, make I start the matter. The matter be say this woman, she say when she I wan clap hand again. Oh, this one next time I'll bring rope, make I tie am to clap hand. They say e no good, just tie calm. Me I just hold on like this. Me I for no clap my hand. I bet more than no vex. So I dey na small. This character of clapping hand, e don follow me from Africa. I don see dey Europe. They say if you are in Europe, behave like a European. But this one then, e no let me leave. So clap. I go dey talk important thing, clap. I go talk serious matter, clap. I go talk joking matter, clap. Make I just hold on like this. Next time na rope I go bring come. So she say when she dey Africa years back, many years ago, so she get boyfriend and they love each other. This boyfriend na him first start to dey chop the ample, and nobody chop the ample, but she come lost her parents, so she no to come survive and all that come dey hard, as Africa be now. She come dey stay with im mama sister, and that im mama sister come say make she come travel come abroad come also. She no wan really travel. The boy beg and say abeg no go, make we manage, but the boy no get work because the boy young, dem young that time. The boy na person wey be say im parents still dey carry dey waka, and the parents no even still get like that. So the girl no get choice. He come say he no get choice, say na so he come take travel because that im mama sister don dey worry am, come travel this and that because he wan use her make money. He say na so he come carry am come Europe. He come carry am give sponsor her carry her come. Then when she come, she come see help her, he just come. He say because she small, he say she yellow well na yellow lady. He say and that time she yellow, she small. He say and she just come, na so he just jam one white man. He say the man love her. The man come tell am say abeg, he no want me see you for here again. Wetin be the problem? He say he come tell am the problem. Say the man come carry money give am. Now remember they say those days they say na so Igbo dey carry big money dey give girls. He say the man come carry big money give am. He come say make take go settle people when she dey owe money. He say na so she come take settle. Then she come give that im mama sister money make she take do something for am for house. He say he no come hustle. He say na so he come just dey. He say for years. He say the man get money well. He say the Igbo man get money well. He say the man come buy house for her, and the house wey the man buy, the man just pay. He pay everything for am. He say na very fine apartment like that. He say na so he come dey. Say but the man tell am say he no go marry am, say because he too old for her. He say and he say he really appreciate the man. He say the man come after some time. The man come say make she marry, say because he no go marry am. The man just leave am like that. He say she really get luck. He say that she come say okay. He come look her. He say that time, that years back. This one they tell you to almost 30 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, the way she takes up. He say that time to see man for Europe. He say they hard. He say no man, as also women. He say so wetin he come do? He can say if he don't know any man wey go carry now, whether he go do okay. And beside that, may not dey like that. Any man wey you want carry, he don already deal with somebody. Except say you and that person now come dey drag am. Now they use money, they drag the man. He say he not ready to drag man. He say now he can say okay, that he first love when he dey house, when he first chop that apple for that beginning. He say come say me that one. May carry that one come. He say come carry that one come. He say as that one come, they come do marriage. He say when they do marriage, then he come born, he come first born boy, he come born again, he come born girl. He say they come they stay the house when that Oyibo man buy for them. He say they come dey there. He say that they live happily. He say but when you just get the second pregnancy, he say the man come change. He say the man come begin dey follow different friends. He no come dey stay house, he no come dey sleep house. And so he dey waka kpurukere waka. He go call am and say come na we marry, let's train these children together. He say the man no come dey hear again. He say na so the man lavish all the money wey she get for account. The man no gree work. He go tell am say this country they dey work, make you work. The man say he no fit work and the other people no dey work because that time to even see our people when they work, they have because money they come, women they give them money, you understand? So he said the man say he no go work. He said but the man they see money they spend every time and all that. He say come call the man mama. He come tell am say see your pikin. He say make he leave am because he say for the man mama he want maybe say he pikin they do gigolo they go so that he go get many women everywhere. He say the family they never help the matter at all. He say so he no come fit bear am. And the man, dey sleep house. That's why they carry different women. Any woman, I just see around that, he want talk to her. So he say later, the man come talk to international. That's why he go Germany, he go Holland, he go Swiss, he go nowhere, no country where he no dey go. He say as the man dey go, that's why they date women. That's why they born for am. The man get pikin all over the Europe. Nowhere he no get pikin. He get pikin for Germany, he get for France, he get for Norway, he get for Swiss, he get for Belgium, all over the places. He say he gets. He say come say wetin he go do this man now? He no fit again. He say before he even say he no fit again, he say the man don already go. He say only she come dey train pikin. He say she chop amala with ewedu soup when she take train her two children. He say because no be wetin he really want na she get. He say but wetin she go do? Say she come dey train the children. After many years, if he even still call, sometimes you know the fit even reach, you might got to call the family, call the mother. If he even call, they know who call again. Though they say who sure you be. Now the way they France, I been at the way they nowhere, I been at the way they Italy, I been at the way they Benjo. They know who they call because there are too many, and so they open the door for all the women. Maybe they call in, they bring money for them, they spend money for them. You say well, he can rest. You say if he call that time, he go tell the man say okay, you can still support your children need you, the children come, they grow, they come. He say no, say the man after many years. He say na so he can rest too, he can suffer, dey manage her life, dey go. He say one day, we never even take for year. He say inside last year, then he surprised. Somebody ring her bell because the man know the house, because na the house they still dey. The children don grow, they don even dey secondary school. No, they don even, the last one dey not be secondary school again. After secondary school, the other school wey dem dey see be like polytechnic. While the other one don even finish sef. He say the man, he waka come, he ring bell. Because who dey ring bell this night? He say he come towards in the evening, around that kind after 7. He say he come go look and he see one man, one old man, he stand near her gate. He say he come look and say who be this? Na black man. He say he come go close, he come open door, he come be say behold her husband. Say say wetin you dey find carry luggage? You no even call before you come. You just come just ring bell without say you no even call. You know whether I still dey this house? He say before he come, he find information about her. They tell am say she still dey that house, and he know say if he call, the woman no go pick call. The woman no go tell am make he come, na make he come. He say before they just dey talk, the two children don come out come meet am. They come dey ask am say who be this? He come say na papa. I say na their papa. I say the children just weak. They be like the way so call here. They no know wetin they go do, whether to embrace am or not to embrace am, because this is the father. They no even know for why. He say later the man just lie down for ground. He just dey cry, oh my wife, my darling wife, abeg forgive me, na devil work. If not be devil, if I not do this one, if I not do that one. He say he just lie down for ground. He just dey cry. He say come tell am say abeg, this night you no stay this house, you go comot for this house. You know wetin you dey do, na make you come for night. He said the two children, they can't hold their mama. They can't beg their mama, daddy, mommy, please, make it leave their daddy, make it forgive her, make it fair enter house first, make it the hear word for him mouth, make it not your portion put for outside. Whether not something they pursue and they come now, they don't know. Say make it let her enter her. The children can't they beg the woman say la, he no go green. They say after many talk, the children can't they beg. Like I say okay, make he enter house. He say as he enter house, the daughter your own, he carry cup of water, he give am drink. You see blood is thicker than water. But children don't know wetin mama dey face. He say carry water give am. The brother sit down near am. Wetin happen? He say na he come dey talk say na devil work o, na devil enter him body, and he don come, he wan come take care of them, and they don grow. Wetin you wan take care of? He say he wan come take care of them. Abeg make dem forgive am. Na now he see, they say if you no marry two wife, you no go know which one good pass. They say na first wife na be wife. Na now he know that parable say first wife na be wife. Abeg he don come back for good, he no go fuck up again, he go stay with them, he go do this. He come dey talk, dey beg, abeg. Na him family, na dey push am. As he enter Europe, na him mama begin dey tell am say, as you come, open your eye o, no go do mugu for this woman o. Despite say na he carry you come o, open your eye well. You see so person, you see the house wey he build. Now he get wife for different place. Na all those money he gather wey he take do this thing. So I no say make you throw away this your wife o, but make you try, make you know as you take. You understand? He say na all those words when if family tell am, when mama tell am, na him come dey in mind, na him make am come react like that. He don see say they don push am. He say even the family upon her, since still collect money, say make dem still take do something for am for house, make dem still take help am plan. He say dem no help am plan. Their own na just to dey collect the money, dey chop am, dey collect the money, dey chop am. Nothing to write home about. Na now he know say family use am. That's why he come back. He wan come beg. My people, let the woman come say, okay, he no gree. The children come dey beg, say they need their father, because the children don still grow. He come late. But they say they need their father. They come dey beg their mama, as you dey alone, so you like am, make they stay one family again, make you forget about other family when the man don first get, make they be one family again. They come beg the woman, So the woman come, because of the children, he can't accept the man. So now they come sit down, they come discuss. I come tell the man say, right now, how you wan be, you wan come dey stay dis house with us again, because na dis house na you comot. Na the man say no 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 no, he no wan stay dis house. So he get house for another city, he come take dem make dem go dey stay the house. Like cause okay, what about dis house, how we go do am? He come say dem put rent for dat house, dem fit dey collect the money, but make dem follow am go im own house wey im rent, he no wan stay here. So the woman just come see the sincerity, he come say okay, no problem. Before the woman comot, he just come find who go rent the house sharp sharp. Dem so go rent the house, na so dem come pack, dem come carry all their property, dem come pack go where dis man dey stay. So the woman say when he reach where dis man dey stay, as he reach there, all the people around there, na so dem begin dey greet her. Dey say, ah, welcome, na you be wife? Ah, we no know say you get wife o. So dem come say, na you be wife? We no know say he get wife o. Ah, so na your wife be dis? He say na your wife be dis. So na everybody come welcome the woman for the area. The woman come really happy, come say, ah, dis man don really change. They come dey welcome the woman, he come say dis man don really change. So he come enter the house. So not knowing that dis man no get work, dis man dey live under government, because the man get he get sickness for body, and that sickness wey he get, government dey pay am because of that sickness wey he get. The woman no know, and he no tell the woman say, see the sickness wey he get for body, he get heart problem. The sickness na heart problem. He no tell the woman say he get heart problem. Na because of that one na make government dey assist am, dem dey pay am money. He get the money wey dem dey give am every month, so na that money take dey live. And dem tell am say he need somebody beside am because of him heart condition. So he don call all the baby mama. The woman no know. He don call all the baby mama wey dey for Germany, dey for Nenemi, dey for here. Nobody gree answer am. Na make am he come go meet dis woman. Dis woman no know. So dis woman say the first month he pay the rent, the second month he pay the rent, the third month he come say he come see dey support am in a way. She come go look for, he come tell am say, why you no wan work? He come say, ah, he no fit work again, he don old beside that, because the man age just still go far. So the woman come say she no fit just do strong work, so she just come look for like 3 hours work or 4 hours work dey do, say because he no fit do complete full hours work again. So he say from there, the man every time go dey go hospital, he go dey go hospital. He come say, ah, this hospital wey you dey go, so wetin be the problem? Na there he come tell am say he get heart problem. He wan do heart operation. He say when he come tell am, he come weak. He come say okay. Say he come dey follow am dey pray. He say so the rentage being as say dem don many wey come, so the man no come dey fit meet up again with the expenses. He say so the rentage of that her house wey that oyibo buy for am, she go collect from the rentage. Dem come still dey sustain their self. He say so the man come do the heart operation, everything come dey successful. Then he one day come call am, come say doctor dey call the wife, say make two of dem gather go doctor place. So as dem reach doctor place, so doctor come dey advise the woman say abeg, say make e no leave dis man, make e no give am anything wey go stress am. He say because the man heart e dey very fragile, anything at all the man fit just kpeme. He say so make e try, make e dey there for the man and all that. The doctor come still encourage the woman. Na dem come comot for there. So the woman come dey reason, come say, ah, so na because of say you dey sick now, na im make you come call me now, make me come take care of you? I no understand that part. Now the man say no because say he dey sick, he wan stay with him family. He say, all those women wey you dey with since then, why you no go meet them? He say no, na first wife be wife o, and he don realize the mistake, na make am come. And the other women, some of the other women wey born for this man, they go dey call this woman, dey insult this woman, dey tell this woman say, see you no get sense, man wey abandon you na you go meet, na no dey curse the woman, so the woman come dey feel the pains, e say na then e come dey realize, okay, na because of this one na make this man carry me come, make me come dey take care of am because of him condition now, because one na government money take dey live, and any small thing na fit just kpeme, so e need woman by his side. And the woman come say even talk am say the walking stick sef, e say e no even fit do anything again and all that, e say no be say e dey after the walking stick o, e say but the problem be say the treatment, na so e go dey give am treatment, na so e dey carry am from hospital to hospital, na so e come still dey sick another sickness join am. E say because since when e come take bring it come, e no even get rest of mind now, e come be like say e come put fuel for inside petrol, you understand? She put fuel for inside fire again, because she no even come get it. Be like say how she felt dey before sef na better for her, but she no know wetin she wan really do, whether make she leave the man with this condition, make she go back, or make she stay with the man, because she no, in short, she no know wetin she wan do. Then make she come this platform say abeg make una just give am words of encouragement, whether make e leave the man because the man no deserve her because of wetin he do am years back. Now na hospital to hospital, treatment to treatment, sometimes fit waka, dem say na diabetes, e say so he just tire, na so the woman talk. So my people, una leave una comment o, but for me, and in short, I just dey vex for that man, because if you look at na big lesson for here, because most men dey do this thing well, they do this thing, their youthful age wey be say they go give their wife, they go give their family, you no go see am. Some men will not be all. You go see that they go waka go here, waka go there. They say na here o, na there o. They follow different women. After they don old, when be say they don get high blood pressure, they don get diabetes, they don get heart problem, they don get gbogbo sickness for body, they come run come house, na first wife be wife o. The woman will come carry you. The time when the woman take need you, when be say children dey grow, dey come, she need support, e no see you. You no support for money, you no support for domestic things for house, you no support for anything. Then when your own come, you go come say, I no dey carry, I no fit lie una, me I just dey tell una my mind. If man, I pray make my husband not leave me like that. If man leave me like that, he come waka, only me wan suffer finish, train pikin. Only me wan suffer finish, take care of everything. In youthful age, he don use am finish. When he don be like dodo, when he so call here finish, you go come meet me say first wife na wife. I no dey carry. I just dey tell you na my own, because I just dey vex, because most men dey do this thing. You will see some single mother everywhere, people don curse you, they don laugh you, you no see her, your husband run leave her o, you no see her, you no get husband o, they don laugh you finish. Then when you don old, ogoro don old, you come carry your kanya, come tell me say you dey come, and when you dey come, nothing dey function again for your body, nothing up to down, nothing, sickness, different type of sickness come dey your body, you go come because na no say person don dey old, and there you go come dey get one small sickness, diabetes, high blood pressure, and enemy. You know that time now. Then that time when be say all the chiquito when you run follow, nobody gree carry you. You come say first wife na wife. You come meet me. I no dey carry. I just dey tell you na my mind. I no dey carry. If you dey there for me, we suffer together, you come see old, situation come like this, I ready to cut my neck to do anything for you. I will never leave you. But you can't throw away me. After years, after 18 years, I be 20-something years, I be 20 years, you can't come back. Even 10 years, sef. You can't come back and say, first wife na wife, I make mistake na devil work. My dear, I know they carry. I don't know about you now. So my people, make una leave una comment too. If you be woman, man do you like that, you go carry. Leave your comment. If you be man, you can't do your wife like that, you expect your wife to carry you, leave your comment. May we just be real for here. May we just talk the truth. more we tell the truth, because this woman dey watch me as I dey talk this thing now. She go watch am, she go watch her una comment. For me, I no dey carry. Make you go meet those women, or make you go meet the family. I no dey carry, because I dey vex for that kind of thing. This thing dey happen well, especially for Europe wey we dey so. I told una dem dey laugh single mothers every day. Single mother. Dey after how many years of suffering, one man go come waka kporokere come. He go come talk say, my wife, my pikin. Pikin go always accept their father, because they need their father, but they no know wetin the woman dey pass through. If you make mistake, you quick realize am, you quick come back, e no tey, e good. No be after how many years, 18 years, you come back, my dear. No come, no just come, just follow there dey go. Just follow there. My people, make una leave una comment, my precious people. Thank you so much. Your comments, I will really appreciate it, and your voice recording. Thank you so much for watching again. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, anyone you call me. But not call me your enemy. I not get enemy. I not dey pray for my enemy. So I'm your friend. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. I love you guys for coming around again. Stay blessed and bye.